So what you can also do inside a VLC Media Player is go ahead and record out video playback. So to do that, let me just go ahead and bring in a video right here. And you can see that this video is about 20 seconds. But let's say I want to extract the video clip from, let's say, around 10 seconds to around 15 seconds right there. In that case, you can utilize the record video playback feature. So to do that, first of all, what you need to do is go around over here onto the view menu and then go ahead and enable advanced control. Then you get the record button, as you can see right here. Let's just go ahead back right here and then play out the video again. And right when I reach the 10-second range right here, I'm going to go ahead and then hit the record button right here. So 10 seconds and until I'm going to go ahead on to 15 seconds. So I'm just going to go around and release it in 15 seconds. So once you do that, what happens is that a recording gets created for those particular 5 seconds. So under the video file right here, under the document videos, you can see that this is the recorded file. And now I can simply go ahead and then open that out. And you can see that it is the 5-second video right here. Not perfectly 5, but 4 seconds something. And that's how you can go ahead and record video playback as you wish to extract out certain portion of the video as you like inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.